Alright, let's enjoy some night noises and me goofing around with some Clubtech or Club Toy or whatever. Guarantee you all the practicing I done is not going to hold a candle to me messing this up while I'm recording, but whatever. Here we go. Not very smooth quite yet, but that's okay. Hold on. Isolation. I'm really happy about is I got the spinning down though, so I think I'll just go ahead and be good with that. One thing I'm trying to figure out, other than what else to do, is when I do that, how to transition through these spins. Sometimes I can go like this, but there's this one thing where I'm coming up, I go like this and down and up, and wanting to do this, and then I don't know where to go after that.
Oh no, I already pushed you once.
So if I can push, set them back out, and then the beloved snakes. I think I got these down here. Neighbors are trying to jumpstart the car, so this is fun, isn't it? Used to have a goofy shirt on. Anyway, that was my random fun bit for this Tuesday. Yeah.